Hi, kiddos. Mrs. Jafir, and I'm going to show you a new program that you're going to be working on while you're doing distance learning. It's called Typetastic. Because we have to work on Chromebooks and iPads so much, we thought it'd be a good idea if you knew where all the letters were to make you very efficient at finding them. So when you go into Seesaw, you will see an activity that links you to Typetastic, and this is where it's going to bring you. You are going to go to the first unit, which actually I believe I have it linked for you. So you'll come right to this one. It's called Keyboard Builder. Turn my volume down. So it's going to give us directions on here, and I'm going to click it. Oops, a big friend of mine just broke his keyboard. To go on, I'm going to click on this orange check mark. It says, let's build a fun keyboard that's big enough for an elephant. And we click on the orange check, or it's actually a white check mark in the orange circle. It tells us we're going to have to pick the letters and then drop the block. And I'll show you how to do that. So here comes the truck. Now it's telling me these are the 3 letters that I have to find, because this is the order that they go in on the actual keyboard. Uh-oh, my truck left me. I didn't know it went so fast. Here it comes again. Okay, so now I need to find the G and then the H. I'm clicking on them. Now I need to put it in the right spot. So I'm going to find where the FGH goes, and it's color-coded. So I know it's one of these green ones, and it's right in the middle. So since it's right over it, I can just do the arrow down. All right, for the next one, I need J, K, L. Now that one goes over to the right, so I need to arrow over and then drop it. So that's what these arrows up here are for. So I need A and D, oops, and S. And that's way over here. So you're going to just continue until you get to the end. So arrow way over, try to line it up, and then drop it. Okay? This is the only lesson you need to do for today. Z, X, Z. Where is that one? It's way over. I've got to drop it down. All right. So that's how you do Typetastic. Have fun.